Imagine you've just landed after a long flight, ready to start your holiday or return home, but then you realize your luggage hasn't made the journey with you. Your heart sinks and your mind races as you realize you may have lost your belongings forever. What happens to that lost luggage? Where does it go, and will you ever see it again? In this video, we'll unravel the mystery of lost luggage and explain the steps airlines take to reunite you with your belongings. The first thing you need to know is that the term lost luggage is a bit misleading. In most cases, your luggage isn't actually lost, it's just temporarily misplaced. When bags are delayed, it's usually because they were mishandled during transfers, missed their connection, or ended up on the wrong flight altogether. In fact, according to the latest available data from the 2023 report by the International Air Transport Association, IATA, approximately 95% of lost luggage is eventually reunited with its owners. But what happens behind the scenes once your luggage has been misplaced? Let's break down the process. Start by reporting to the airline that your luggage is missing. When your luggage doesn't arrive at your destination, your first step is to report it to the airline's baggage service desk at the airport. They will create a file for your case and give you a reference number. This information is vital because it allows both you and the airline to track the progress of the search. Once reported, the airline uses a system called the World Tracer, a global baggage tracking service used by most airlines. The World Tracer system scans airports worldwide for bags that have been misplaced. If a bag is found that matches your description, it is flagged and redirected to your location. What if the bag isn't found quickly? If your bag doesn't turn up within a few days, the search intensifies. The airline will check their unclaimed baggage storage facilities, where bags that haven't been matched to passengers are held. These facilities are often located at major hubs and are filled with luggage from all over the world waiting to be claimed. During this time, the airline will also attempt to trace your luggage using more detailed methods, such as manual searches through baggage that may not have been correctly logged into the system. In some cases, airlines will even check with airports, where your bag was last scanned, to narrow down its location. The airline will send the luggage to you. Once your bag is located, it will be sent to your address or a location of your choosing, at no extra cost to you. Airlines typically use express delivery services to ensure you get your belongings as quickly as possible. When the luggage is declared lost and the search ends. But what happens if your luggage is never found? After 21 days, if your bag still hasn't been located, it is officially declared lost. At this point, the airline is required to compensate you. The amount you receive varies depending on the airline and your ticket type, but it's generally capped by international agreements such as the Montreal Convention. However, compensation can be tricky. Airlines often require detailed lists of the items in your luggage, including their value and receipts where possible. It's a good idea to keep such lists for expensive or essential items whenever you travel. You may also be able to make a compensation claim from your travel insurance, but again, to make this process easier, you should have some proof of what possessions and valuables were in your luggage. What happens to lost luggage that is never claimed? After an extensive search and waiting period, if the bag is truly unclaimed, it may be sold at auction. There are entire businesses dedicated to purchasing and reselling lost luggage and its contents. Anyone can attend these auctions and place a bid. If you buy lost luggage, you may end up with some suitcases full of someone's dirty laundry, but just occasionally you may get lucky and find something valuable. Interestingly, many unclaimed items are also donated to charities. Clothing and other essentials often find new homes with those in need. So, while your suitcase may never make it back to you, its contents might still end up serving a good purpose. Use a GPS tracker to locate your luggage. In recent years, GPS luggage trackers have become an increasingly popular tool for travelers to keep tabs on their belongings. These small devices, which can be placed inside your suitcase, use GPS or Bluetooth technology to provide real-time location data directly to your smartphone. If your luggage goes missing, you can quickly check its last known location, which can be incredibly useful in assisting the airline in locating your bag. In some cases, the tracker might reveal that your luggage is simply stuck at your departure airport or has been mistakenly sent to the wrong destination. While not foolproof, these trackers offer an extra layer of security and peace of mind, potentially speeding up the process of retrieving your misplaced belongings. How to cope with lost luggage. Losing your luggage is never a pleasant experience, but now you know the journey it undertakes once it leaves your side. Most importantly, remember that the vast majority of lost bags are returned to their owners. For peace of mind, always carry essential items like medications, important documents, and a change of clothes in your hand luggage. And if your bag does go missing, rest assured that there's a global network of systems and people working tirelessly to get it back to you.